Hello everyone, welcome back to the ingredient channel. Have you ever come across lotus root in any oriental grocery store and wondered how to prepare it? Well, you are in for a treat because in this episode I'm going to share an incredibly delicious recipe that is also very easy to follow. I am confident that you will develop a love for this unique ingredient after trying this dish. So I look forward to your feedbacks in the comments. Let's get started. Begin by selecting a fresh lotus root. Start by peeling the root and removing the middle connection section. By the way, there are two common types of lotus root, one with 9 holes and the other with 7 holes. The 9-hole variety is a crispier type, making it great for deep frying and salads, while the 7 holes variety is softer and perfect for stews and soups. For this recipe, since we're frying it, we will be using the lotus root with 9 holes. Cut the root into thin 2 mm slices. To create a pie crust, be sure not to cut all the way through so the bottom stays connected. Since lotus root grows in mud, dirt can sometimes hide in the holes. I'll show you a simple way to clean it up. Soak the lotus root in cold water with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And let it sit for 15 minutes. For the fillings, I'm using ground beef, but ground pork, chicken, or turkey will all do. Chop some scallions and mince some ginger. Add to the ground meat along with 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, one tablespoon of light soy sauce, one teaspoon of 5 spices, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. Two teaspoons of fish sauce. Mix well. Add cooking oil, about 5 tablespoons. Adjust the amount of oil based on the leanness of the meat. Leaner meat requires more oil. 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix and set aside. Now rinse the lotus root to ensure the holes are clean. You will then need about 4 to 5 tablespoons of frying powder or starch, 1 large egg, and approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Add the water gradually, 2 tablespoons at a time, until the mixture reaches a thick, toothpaste-like consistency. Then it is time to assemble the pies. Stuff the filling in the middle of 2 lotus root slices to create a sandwich. Then dip the pie into the starch mixture, making sure it is fully coated. I apologize, but my camera was pointed in the wrong direction during the stuffing process. Nevertheless, I'm confident you'll figure this part out. In a pot, heat up the oil. To check if the temperature is right for deep frying, toss in a small drop of the frying paste. Once the paste floats, it is the perfect temperature. Add 1 pie, let it fry over medium heat. Certainly, if you have a bigger pot, feel free to fry multiple pies at the same time. Avoid touching it for the first minute. Then gently move it and fry for another 30 seconds on each side. Followed by about 10 seconds on the edge. Our pie is now ready. Repeat these steps for the rest of the pies. Place the pies in our favorite dish, and now the best part. Enjoy the meal. I really hope you liked this episode. If so, please share, like, and subscribe for more delightful recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!